back to the channel with me, Vivian Atut. It's always a pleasure to have you. Today we are talking about creating a Facebook business page. Many people have been asking me, what are some of the basic steps that we can use to create our Facebook business page? So I am going to be sharing with you in today's video and audio 8 key steps that you need to follow. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe, enable notifications so that when we create other great content like this that can add value to your business, you would be the first to know. If you are joining us on Clubhouse, please check the links in the chat. Check the links. Communicate with us, DM me directly on Instagram and Clubhouse for more details, or if you want to book a 30-minute free discovery call, check the links in the description or DM me and we would get back to you. So as an entrepreneur, creating a Facebook business page is an essential step for you to get access to new customers, expand your business, promote your brand in the world's largest social media platform with over 2 billion active users. Facebook presents an excellent place to connect with potential customers and build relationships with your existing customers. So in this video, we will be looking at 10 key steps on how to create your Facebook marketing or business page. So we have an exciting community. If you want to be part of our mentorship community, our business community, we have resources, full-blown resources on Facebook marketing with all the steps, all the elements, and how to get your first 1,000 followers and everything else in the whole package for just $10 a month. So you can also DM me on the Instagram or check the links in the description so that we are able to get back to you on all of these and help you to build your Facebook marketing strategy. So the first thing you need to do is to go to facebook.com/page and then create. So you need to select the kind of page you want to create. So there are several options that Facebook actually gives to you. It could be a local business page, it could be a company, an organization, it could be an institution, it could be a brand, an artist, a brand of a public figure, an entertainment, a cause, or a community engagement. So depending on the purpose of your business or organization, the first step is for you to go to Facebook, go to the business page, choose the kind of page you want to create, and Facebook will then take you to the next step, which is fill out the required information. For example, does your business have a name? What is the address? What is the contact information? It's also a very, very good idea to upload a profile picture, because these days we want authenticity. We want to attach a name to a picture and a cover photo that represents your business, whether it's your company logo or yourself. If you are the brand, it's always important to upload this information on Facebook once you have already started creating the page. The next one is to add description. Let people know about your business, your products, your service. So this will help potential customers to understand what your business is all about and what you can offer them, what problem are you solving, and all that. So go straight to the point, take time to write your description and make sure that it truly represents you. Once you've done this, the next step is for you to start inviting. It's always important to invite friends and get some basic followership, even though some of your friends might not be your typical customers, but just to start getting your account active, it is an important step to do. So you start inviting friends, current customers to like your page, to be part of your page, and this will help you to build an initial audience and get you off the ground to a strong start. So once your page is up, your page is set up, the next thing that you need to do is to start doing regular updates, and to ensure that you include text, you include videos, you include photos, you include relevant links. You can link to your YouTube channel, you can link back to your blog, you can link back to your e-commerce store, and this will help audience to engage and discover more about your business. So the next important step, and this depends on your budget, but it's a good thing to have, because Facebook advertising, in other videos you can check on our YouTube channel or on other of our websites, you would be able to see other details about the benefit of Facebook advertising compared to all other platforms. So you can start creating Facebook ads to reach new customers. So with Facebook adverts, you are able to reach targeted audience. You are able to select people by demographic, by income, by different kind of characteristics that Facebook has already done this for you, and it helps you to get access to a targeted audience at an affordable price. So once you set up your adverts and everything, monitor your page insight, track the performance of your page, adjust your strategy. So Facebook offers a wealth of analytic and metrics that can actually help you understand how many people, impressions, views, clicks, and everything else that can help you to constantly improve your marketing strategy on Facebook. And finally, the last step, you need to make sure that you keep your page updated and engaging. So by responding to comments from clients, messages, engaging with your audience, building a relationship with audience, it is very, very essential, because this then gives them the confidence to know that your business is authentic, your business cares about them, and this will help you to continue to grow your business. So if you are joining us for the first time, please share more comments. If you have challenges setting up your Facebook business page or Facebook advertising, please check our community, and we have lots and lots of free resources that can help you to get off the ground with this. Join the conversation, and let's build and grow our businesses stronger in 2023 and beyond. So in conclusion, creating a Facebook business page is very, very essential for any entrepreneur looking out to reach new customers and promote your brand. So in this new world, Facebook gives you that platform with over 2 billion active users. So by following these steps that we have just presented, you would be able to create and establish a strong presence on Facebook and grow your business. So you have to remember that consistency is the name of the game. Consistency is the name of the game. Engage your clients, engage your audience, and this will gradually lead you to creating a sustainable, authentic social media presence on Facebook, and building the clients that you really, really want to get. So we hope that this has been useful to you. Please like, share this video, and continue to be part of our community. If there is anything specific that you would like us to talk about, please engage us, send us notifications, send us your comments, and we will continue to create useful videos and audios for you. To our Clubhouse community, always great to chat with you, and we look forward to continue engaging with you.